Hello students, my name is Abhijit Anand and today we are going to discuss about gravitation. So let's get started. So what is gravitation? It's a universal force of attraction between any two objects that has a tendency to attract each other towards each other. Okay? For example, if we say this is an object A and this is an object B, object A has a tendency to attract object B towards itself, and object B also has the same tendency to attract object A towards itself. Thus, we can say that any object on the that has mass or matter has a tendency to attract each other. So, moving on, universal law of gravitation. So the universal law of gravitation states that the force of attraction between any two objects is directly proportional to the masses and inversely proportional to the square root of the distance between their centers. If we say this is an object A and this is an object B, object A has some mass m1 and object B has some mass m2, okay, and the center of the object A and the center of the object B will have a tendency to attract towards each other because the force acting to the line joining to the centers act towards each other, okay. And as per the definition, the force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses, okay. So product of their masses will be m1 into m2 and it is inversely proportional to the square of their distances. If let us consider the distance is r, okay, and from where we will take the r? From the centers of their masses, okay. Now combining these two equations, let us erase the upper one. So combining these two equations, adding 1 and equation 2, we get F will be directly proportional to the m1 into m2 by r square. So we get a formula regarding the force of gravitation where product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of the distances. But there is a proportionality symbol here. If we remove the symbol, then we get a constant, and the constant is called the gravitational constant, and it is noted by G. So here G is called the gravitation constant, whose value is equals to 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay. So hence we get a formula. The force of attraction is equals to G m1 into m2 by r square. Okay. So moving on. Our next topic is free fall. So what is free fall? Suppose this is, I am holding this marker right now, and if I remove the hand from the marker, it directly falls down. This happens to every object on the earth. If an object is falling directly down toward the earth and only the acceleration is working on it, the acceleration due to gravity is only working on it, then the object is said to be free fall. We know the formula for force equals to ma, where F equals to force, m equals to mass, and a equals to acceleration. And in case of free fall, the acceleration changes to acceleration due to gravity. So a equals to g. A becomes g. The acceleration becomes gravity. Wait, and it is denoted by small g. and the value of the small g is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So hence we can write that F equals to mg in case of free fall. So this is our formula regarding the free fall.